Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, 6:40 my time, and we're going to learn about join and split methods for strings in Python. And I apologize, it's a little dark in here. It's 6:40. There's some light coming in, but not enough to really brighten the place up. So, what we're going to do is actually jump right into our little tutorial. And we're going to start with, I already have this written out, so feel free to copy it. But we're going to start with the join name, or join, I should say join method. So what this does is it joins or concatenates a string using what you're putting here. So it goes the string method, or the string that you're calling, and then it adds it to the list here. So this is a list actually. As you can see, it's in brackets. So let me show you an example here. I got this ready for you. So that's calling this variable join name. So when I run this, it says Jim plus John plus Billy. Pretty straightforward. So you can do a lot with this. This is just the bare minimum. But now we're going to use this one and the split name together. So split name does, well, it's not called split name. I keep calling it by the variable. It's actually called just split. So it does exactly what it says. It just splits using a string. So it's splitting this here list, and it's finding anything that has a plus in it and it's getting rid of it. So we're going to run it here, and as you can see now, it went from this to this, and it's in a list. Next one we're going to do, and this will be the last one here, is our we're going to do another split. We're just going to do it by itself. So I create a little string here that's just my name with pluses in the middle of each letter, and we're going to split it to get rid of the plus sign. So if we run this, it gives me my name as a string, though it's not together. So that's it for these two methods here, which are pretty common in most programming languages, and they're good to know, and there's a lot you can do with them. So if you learn anything, please like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed. I think like 80% of my viewers aren't subscribed, so please subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.